My first skill is pretty simple. It's called Black History Every Day.
Patricia Bath, first black woman to serve on staff.
It started to work at 5 a.m. on April 3rd, 2017, which happened to be my 60th birthday. And I cried when it worked. I cried tears of joy. I want people to know that you don't have to know the coding to do it. I didn't know the coding, and I actually now have 3 skills. I think it's very exciting. I mean, I don't think that I can adequately describe just the thrill that all of these skills have, but particularly the first one, and to know that so many people can hear the skill and be as enlightened through sound and knowledge as I was. It is, I think, very, very profound.